Have you heard from your employees that their stress has increased? Their digital usage has increased and they are experiencing strain in eyes and headache. In spite of working from home, they don't have a work-life balance. Do you think their mental stress has increased and they need support? If yes, then do watch this video till the end, as I have an interesting and meaningful offer for all the founders and HR leaders of public and private companies, which would be helpful for their employees and their families to understand and cope up with mental stress. Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Gyanani and this is my second video on the fitness segment. I strongly feel that every one of us is impacted by this pandemic, directly or indirectly. Hence, in this video, I will speak about something which is quite important considering the current scenario, and that's emotional and mental well-being. Let's start by seeing what few famous personalities have to say about emotional and mental well-being. As per one of the studies, a significant impact on the mental well-being is observed in India during this pandemic. A few common adverse outcomes are: we all desire for overall well-being and want to live a happy life. But do we fully understand what it comprises of? A healthy you is a combination of both healthy body and happy mind. We understand physical well-being well and take many actions. But what do we do about emotional and mental well-being? We certainly need to work on emotional and mental well-being, but don't know where to start. Let's start with the basics.
Innovative Solutions from Happy Mind provides you deep insight into current state of your emotional and behavioral state and help you make a head start. We offer accessible, affordable and reliable research and evidence-based tools to support your commitment of living a happy life. Happy Mind is for all age groups above 18 years and people from all walks of life. We cover all aspects around mental well-being, from awareness, prevention, early detection, self-management and therapeutic treatment of emotional and mental wellness and related issues with utmost confidentiality. Let's make it happen to be happy.
Now talking about the offer, as I have worked in corporate for about 14 years, my heart goes out to all the professionals who work day in and day out to achieve their company's vision. Hence, I have recently collaborated with a very progressive organization in the field of emotional and mental well-being called Happy Mind. This organization has taken up a mission, Act Now India, in which it is sponsoring 90 days of digital support to you, your employees and their family members. Since I have used this program, let me tell you, it's a zero effort for organizations in terms of implementation, as it's a simple plug and play tool. Act Now India program covers every aspect of mental and emotional well-being with the following offerings for employees and their families. This program will be sponsored to the first 20 companies who reaches out to me at ignitetheflame@gmail.com. You can also call or message me at 982-1616119 to know more about the Act Now India offerings. We invite you to take the first step of your journey towards holistic wellness and give yourself, your employees and their family members a gift of emotional well-being. Thanks for watching this video. Do like this video, share it with your colleagues and subscribe to my channel ignite the flame. Till then, stay happy and stay ignited.